Hey guys, today we're making a video with me, with my phone. Okay, so guys, actually I'm making this video because my friend, I subscribed to her name is Rose Steelberg. I'll put her channel in the link in the description, and it's actually her slime video, because I actually have two slimes and I want to use them in these videos, because I made them just for you guys. So I have a red one and I have this like bluish gray one. So I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to pick one. Okay, I picked the red one. And you know I closed my eyes. So this is actually with glitter. It's pretty, it's not too stretchy, but it's pretty stretchy. Oh my god guys, look. I literally had glue on the top and look what happened. Alright, ew, it's stuck. It stuck to the top. And I used Elmer's glue. It's actually really hard to stretch because these are not too they're not too stretchy. But it's not ASMR, it's just like slime. Okay, now that we made that one, this was my favorite one because it's the bigger one. And it's much more better texture. And you can it's much more stretchier. It's a little sticky, guys, so we're gonna add some activator. And yes, I do have activator. This is my activator. Elmer's, don't ask why it's so dirty. I do not have any glue. I wasted it all on the big one. Yes, it really. So we're just gonna rub it on the top. I like doing that, and then I just go in. It's a little sticky, so I hope I didn't put a lot because it actually really has a nice texture. And it's clear, duh. There are some more scented ones, but I didn't want to get those. I'm actually gonna get some lotion, and I'm gonna put it on my red one. So yeah, I'm gonna go get it. Just wait. Okay, I got some lotion. So we're just gonna rub it on the red one. And yes, it's not glue. And guys, I might make a slime channel, or I might do slime on this channel. Because I've been thinking of that. So, but that's like on my birthday, you know. So maybe on my birthday I will do my channel. But we will be doing some stuff. It will take a long time. It doesn't take long to actually just make the channel. It's still hard. But we're gonna put that one down. And I will not be uploading at night for a reason. And for Wednesday, I will not upload in the morning because I have school. So let's do some crackalackles and some. So this is the. I don't know what you call. You know what? I'm gonna get some paint. Yes, I put paint in this one. I know you may be like, oh my god, so horrible. I don't have any food coloring, so I use my paint. Oh my god. And I will maybe have an art channel. I have some paint. I have some watercolors. I have pens. I do drawing. I have paint brushes. I have a lot of stuff for my paint and my So let's see if I could try to not get on my hands. Wish me luck. I wish I could make this slime lighter, but I cannot because, literally, I can't because, how am I supposed to, and I don't have any white because I don't know all my white. And This one's actually pretty soft. I don't know, maybe different colors can make it lighter. I know we can put white in, but I don't know if I have any white guys, so I will be using the tan. Because we can do it, yeah? Maybe, right, guys? Guys, help me, help me. Okay, so I'm just gonna rub that around. Oh yes, I did get it. Oh no, it was dry. Oh my god, some of it was dry and I got it in the slime. Ew. Okay, whatever. So, mixing it in. That's. Cause I just saw her video. I know it was 6 days ago, so I'm so sorry, Miss Silvers. And guys, I hope you like my intro. That is going to be my new intro. I didn't really like the other one. I agreed with my friend. I used to like it, but now I just don't really like it. I don't like it. And it was way too long, and I don't want to have a long intro because if I have a long intro, I just randomly got stretchier and softer. Like, what? I think it's because of the paint. Okay. So we're gonna do the red one now. We're gonna try to fix this. So I'm gonna do it in here because I don't want to get the thing I'm doing it. How do I try to show you guys this? I need something to hold you guys. Well, I can hold it. No, I was about to use a cup. I thought those were gonna drop. I was like, guys. Over here, okay. So now that you can see me, yes, you can see my thing here, yeah. So I know it's really small. I'm gonna get this. Yes, I feel like it will help. Oh my god, guys, I got it everywhere. Ah! Wait, let me just pick it up. And guys, this is kind of like decorating up and make it better because like this slime is horrible. And especially this. Oh no, it's getting everywhere. Okay guys, wait, I'm just gonna pick it up. But first I wanna mix this in. Oh my god guys, my hands. You're like, what the? Okay girl, what? Did you have like a paint storm in your hands? And guys, I was pinning, but like I washed my hands. Okay, so this is the slime so far. I'm still mixing it in, and it's, I don't know why, but this paint makes everything feel different. It's like it makes it have like a different texture. It's like, it's still hard, look. But when how I do it, it does. But it's actually getting like softer, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of this paint stuff. And I'm gonna use a paper so I'm gonna make it like spread around. So I'm gonna use this paper. Spread it around. Spread. I know I'm not supposed to use this paper if I use fingers, but like, let's just not get our hands dirty for now. Like new challenge, try to get your hands dirty without, doing your paint. Okay, so we're gonna mix it right now. So mix. And I love just Amir. She's the one who inspired me to start like doing painting stuff. So yeah. I'll make a part 2.